Hey everyone! Welcome to your ultimate guide on shopping for home essentials. Whether you're a homeowner or a renter, I've got some fantastic tips and trends to elevate your living space. Let's jump right in. First up, let's talk about going green with your home essentials. Sustainable furniture and decor made from eco-friendly materials like bamboo, reclaimed wood, and recycled metals are all the rage. Not only do they look amazing, but they're also great for the planet. So why not make your home stylish and sustainable at the same time? Next, creating a tranquil oasis. Think earthy tones like terracotta, olive green, and warm browns in your bedding, rugs, and curtains. These colors create a calming atmosphere that's perfect for relaxation. Trust me, your stress levels will thank you. Now, for all the vintage lovers out there, consider incorporating unique vintage pieces into your home. Mirrors, vases, and artwork with a bit of history can add so much character and charm. You never know, you might just find your next favorite conversation piece. Bringing the outdoors in is another fantastic trend. Embrace biophilic design by adding indoor plants, natural fiber rugs, and large windows that connect your living space with nature. It's like having a slice of the outdoors right in your living room. For those with smaller spaces, fear not. Multifunctional furniture like sofa beds and extendable tables are game changers. They maximize your space without compromising on style. Speaking of style, let's talk wall wonders. Textured wallpaper, wall art, and decorative mirrors can add depth and interest to any room. It's a simple way to make a big impact. And don't forget to light up your life. Eye-catching chandeliers, pendant lights, and unique floor lamps can enhance the ambiance of different rooms. Proper lighting can transform your space from drab to fab. Upgrading your everyday essentials is a must. Top-rated vacuums, air purifiers, and kitchen appliances can make daily living a breeze. Investing in quality products ensures you get the best performance. Comfort is key, so invest in luxurious bedding, comfortable seating, and plush rugs. These elements enhance comfort and relaxation, making your home your sanctuary. Shopping online is super convenient, offering a wide variety of home essentials. From furniture to decor, you can find everything you need in one place. It's easy, accessible, and saves time. Lastly, shop smart and shop value. Look for durable and long-lasting home essentials that offer good value for money. Investing in quality ensures your purchases stand the test of time. That's it for today. I hope these tips inspire you to create your dream home. Remember, your living space should reflect your personality and values. Happy shopping and see you next time.